Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 98 Honda Prelude and this is by Hotwheels from the Neon Speeder series. Honestly, my eyes are a little bit blurry because of the backlight. So, okay, this one actually I bought it because the livery looks really beautiful, along with the matte black. Instead of the glossy black, they did it in the Toyota. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. And I bought this for $2.99 if you guys are wondering, because a lot of people are just directly coming to some of my videos and they're just asking for how much I'm buying, and they're asking me to mention that in every video which I'm doing. So see, sometimes I miss out to say that, but so if you are a follower of my channel for at least past even 1 month, you will know by right now I won't buy any Hot Wheels for more than MRP. In general, any car, any brand. So specifically when it comes to Hot Wheels, I never purchase anything for more than MRP. So that's there. Okay. So here is the first impressions of this casting. Okay, this looks absolutely beautiful. So actually, this was available a couple. I just bought only one, and I really wish I could have bought one more. But because the livery looks really nice, the paint job looks really nice, and it has acrylic inserts for headlights. That is really good, and it has tail light details here, which is really good. I mean, so this casting is perfect if you ask me. It has rear view mirrors as well. It has good interior. I mean, it has black interior, but it absolutely matches this particular car and this particular paint job they are going with, around the car, the livery and everything. So you can see the rims here; those are actually colored differently. The front wheels are in like it's kind of a copper brown, and the rear one is like a lime yellow. And okay, so the body is fully metal and the chassis is plastic. It has only the exhaust details here, which is good. I'm not going to complain about it more. And it has, the transparent sunroof here. Actually, this is a beautiful casting. Let's weigh this casting. It doesn't feel that much heavy, but maybe around 33 grams, around that range. Okay, 35 grams, close. Okay, let's do a roll test now. It does roll really well. I'm really happy about it. It does have a little bit of wheel wobble, but I mean, it doesn't matter now because it rolls really well. It reaches end of the track every time, which is good. So you can use this car and track, but I'm not seeing any, the track specific logo on the car. Let me just see if I missed out anything here. No, nothing is there. But they could have mentioned that here, right? Because this is really nice. Okay. So, okay, it has wiper details also. That is really nice. I mean, for a change, the logo placement and everything is beautiful in this casting. And most probably, I might get another one of this casting if I'm getting a chance. Let's see. Okay, I'm just going to turn off all the lights and I'm going to, shine the UV light now. So let's see how this one looks. Okay, guys, I'm just going to turn off this light now. Let's see. Wow, that actually looks so awesome. I was hoping that it would be like this, but it is absolutely beautiful. Even with the privacy protector, I can able to see it very clearly. I hope when you guys seeing this video over a normal screen without any privacy protector like me, that is going to look absolutely gorgeous. The only nitpick I can say here is, the G Ready logo you can see here. There is nothing is glowing there. I mean, I was hoping something would be there, like they could have just made something there, but it is pure black, I guess. Even the interior and everything, that is black, and so, but it still looks absolutely gorgeous with the livery. I mean, I do love it so much. I personally recommend this casting to everyone. If you are able to get this particular one, please go ahead and get it. It checks every box if you ask me. So I'm really happy with it. So with that said, so that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, it's a thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.